Electric cars are the talk of the town lately, so it might leave you wondering if you should buy one of these cars for yourself. These cars don't require routine oil changes, spark plug replacements, and oil or gas filter changes. But how exactly does electric car maintenance work? Before we dive in, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. You'll save so much money on electric car maintenance, but you do still need to have your car serviced every now and then. You'll still need to have your air filter replaced, along with replacing windshield wiper blades and topping off your washer fluid. We've got the perfect schedule for you to follow. Let's dig in. Every 30 days, you'll need to check your tire pressure, inspect your tires for excess wear, and see if your washer fluid needs to be topped off. Every 7,500 miles, you'll need to have your tires rotated, check the coolant level for the battery, and inspect the car brakes, steering, suspension, and chassis components. Also, double check the cabin heater, power inverter, charger modules, and the light bulbs around the car. At 15,000 miles, you can change your wiper blades. Also, at 36,000 miles, you have to replace the cabin air filter. And when you finally reach 75,000 miles, you should replace your suspension gas struts and have our auto service technicians drain the coolant circuits. The battery of your electric car is the heart and soul of how this ride gets you to brunch with your friends and to work. Typically, there will be a warranty for the battery, which is generally for 8 years or after 100,000 miles, or whichever comes first. However, if you want to keep your electric car long term, then you'll have to pay over $5,000 to replace the battery. Have a car maintenance check at Toyota of Orlando at 3575 Vineland Road.